What's up, guys? Good morning. How you guys doing today? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Dude, I want to start off by telling you guys, I honestly don't even know how to tell you guys, but thank you so much to everybody that has been subscribing. Seatbelt Squad, do not get triggered. I am only driving on the side of the road next to one of our groves. But I want to mention today that everybody that subscribed, thank you guys so much. Welcome to the channel. And everybody that has not been subscribing, I don't know what you guys are waiting for, dude, but check out this flame that just got started right here. This is insane. I will show you guys right now. Anyways, I wanna tell you guys that in the last video I had mentioned that I was doing a t-shirt giveaway. Those t-shirt giveaways are still on. I was at 900 subscribers, which I blew past 900 that same day that I posted the video. And I had mentioned that 950 subscribers, I will do another giveaway, and we hit 950 subscribers yesterday. So all you have to do, and then you guys wait till 1,000 subscribers is also going to be actually a lot better giveaway. I'm super excited. That is like a pretty big milestone for me to finally hit, and I'm super excited, and I think I'm gonna hit it by the end of this week. I'm like super stoked about it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Anyways, guys, you guys can win one of these t-shirts. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, go to my Instagram, and follow me on there, because that's where I actually do the giveaway, is on the Instagram story. So make sure to go to my Instagram and follow me on there so you guys are updated on the giveaway for the t-shirt. It's going to be like a random name selector that I do online. So it's fair for everyone that is entered to win. So guys, make sure subscribe to the channel and comment down below that you are subscribed, and go to the Instagram. If you don't go to my Instagram, you will not know if you won or not. So enough said, you guys. I'm actually currently at one of our groves right here. So this is actually a 20-acre lot. Well, this is actually a total of 40 acres, but we're currently burning the rest of the 10 acres over here. That dude, look at that flame. This is insane. I'm just gonna go up there and get you guys a better, closer view. Those were actually olives right over there. So we have a bunch of piles, burned piles, that are going to be burning. As you guys can see, they're already burning, and it is insane. I can literally feel the heat right here where I'm at. This is freaking insane right now. It's so dope, dude. Look at that flame right there. That is a bonfire. Dude, look at these flames. These things are insane. They're massive flames right now. It's insane. He's about to get another one started over there, and another one, and another one. There's probably like 10 piles here that need to get started, but these things are insane. I like so hot right here where I'm at. These things, that one's literally probably like, dude, I can't even explain how tall that really is right there, but that is so freaking tall. I'd say probably 80 feet on that one. This one's coming down already, but the ones that he's just starting right there are gonna be insane right now once they get started. Here's a let's get a little montage of this. Alright, was honestly wanting to stay here a little bit longer, but I have a meeting at 11 o'clock and it is already 10:30, so I better get going. But you guys seen it all right here, dude. These flames are insane. That one right there is just about to grab and is gonna go insane right now. It's about to get huge. See that one? It's just about to freaking start right there. So dope. My lens is getting dirty, dude. My whole truck is getting dirty. Look at this thing. I mean, it's clean. I'm not gonna say it's dirty, it's clean, but it's getting all ashy from all of this. But I can like legit, I'm probably like, I don't even know how far. I'd say from that power right there, probably like a football field length. And I just feel the insane amount of heat just hitting my face and my whole body right now. It is so hot right here. So yeah, let's get going, dude. Driving up home right now, following the stupid FedEx truck, dude. They drive up the hill so freaking slow. I hate it. Anyways, guys, I had gone over to the airport. It's already like 1:30. I had gone over to the airport to see if the mechanic was there. He wasn't there, but I also forgot to update you guys on the airplane, because the airplane has actually been being worked on, and I've been I think I did tell you guys in the last video that the airplane has been being worked on. The airplane is pretty much almost done. Cool or fun little fact about the airplane that I was trying to figure out yesterday. So I need to re-register my airplane, right? I need to register it. I need to get the registration up to date on the airplane is what I should say. And I was thinking about changing my tail number. So like, my tail number right now is November. Well, all airplanes in the United States that are registered in the United States start with an N. So my tail number right now is November 6640 Yankee, so 6640Y. Dude, I was thinking about changing it to Hotel Sierra Tango Lima. So it literally just says hustle. So like pretty much this right here, on my tail number, I think would be so dope. So I've been checking on the FAA website. Porta potty's leaving, and dude, I've been doing quite a bit of things. Now just leaving my yard. I was just with one of my crew bosses. He was having to come get those porta potties for tomorrow's harvest. And anyways, I'm right now on my way to drop off the report from one of the crew bosses. I didn't get everybody's reports on time, so it kind of sucks because they needed to be in Dinuba by today. So they're gonna be one of them is gonna be a little bit late, but it's gonna go down. That is gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. I know I haven't really, seatbelt squad, I'm sorry, it's coming, here it is, there. I know I haven't really been recording much, but I promise you guys there's gonna be plenty of content coming. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You guys have to follow me on Instagram so you guys are aware of who wins this t-shirt. If you guys do enter to win it, you guys comment down below you're subscribed, go to my Instagram, follow me, wait for the story, it will come up tonight. And yeah, that is gonna be it, guys. You guys already know, monster. So I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers to 1,000.